The Lost Ways Review. Hi, my name is Emily and I am shy to speak in the mic. So, I use this awesome robotic voice to create unbiased product reviews. The Lost Ways is an ebook compiled by Claude Davis in an attempt to outline ancient secrets to survive in the face of unforeseen situations, including natural disasters, war, economic disasters and drought. Claude Davis is a seasoned writer and survival expert. He believes that it is about time that Americans went back to their roots and learn what made their ancestors survive various challenges and hardships in their environments. What you will find inside the Lost Ways system. 1. Food recipes. In this book, you will find an exhaustive collection of nutritious, yet easy-to-make food recipes that were initially used by Native American scouts. 2. Tips to make traps. You will learn how to set up traps in order to provide a steady flow of food in times of drought. 3. Housing tips. The author has offered a complete guide on constructing underground, weatherproof houses. 4. Water storage tips. In this guide, you will learn how ancient people would store and collect water efficiently without spending a dime. 5. Prepare poultices. You will learn how to prepare poultices using ancient ingredients that are easy to avail. 6. Bullets. You will learn how human beings can preserve bullets during a crisis, and what you can do in the event that you no longer have bullets. Bonuses. 1. A step-by-step guide to building your own can rotation system. 2. What every survivalist should grow in his backyard. Pros. The guide is more comprehensive than any other in the market today. The information provided in the book is based on logical, tried and tested ideas. The book is guaranteed to help you save money in the long run. It directs the use of basic, raw materials, ingredients and tools that are easy to avail and affordable as well. Cons. You will have to go through the painstaking process of reading the instructions carefully. Availing all the requisite tools and materials to equip yourself for unknown dangers can be challenging. There is no hard copy available. To avail the best discount from the official website, click the link in description below. Thanks for watching.